Hello everyone, I'm here today to tell you something, a little something about these two hats that we are talking about, which you see in my thumbnail, and absolutely amazing. I love this design, this particular pattern, and it stretches nicely, as you can see it. You see, like this, like so, and here is elasticated band that I've knitted. I love it so much. I'm absolutely crazy about this hat. This hat possibly could be worn even in the summer hot days, let's say in those times when a little bit cool outside. Maybe in the evenings of summertime would be just fine, would be perfect choice to wear to keep slightly warmer in the cooler days of summer. Even in springs will be nice, even in autumn, early autumn possibly will suit this very well, very nicely. And as you can see, it's nicely done, and I've tried my best to do this stitch behind, like here, and it's I'm taking my time usually when I do the sewing at the back. I'm doing very careful job. I'm not rushing, I'm not doing anything quickly. I do it on purposely, gentle and slowly, to make sure the stitching isn't as visible, and as you can see is practically invisible. This is the back from the inside. It's nicely done and hidden away, and here I've hidden the fluffy yarn. As you can see, it's here a little bit of fluff, separation of the yarn. Yes, the yarn is acrylic as usual. For those that are new on my channel, I always use acrylic yarn because I have allergy to woolly yarns. I have allergy to anything that's from real wool, from real fur, and I can't wear it, and it's tricky to wash as well, and the shape and the work to wash them, it's just too much. But acrylic yarn, it's just fantastic. It's just perfect for even those cooler days without getting too hot in your hands. And I find acrylic very versatile, and I'm able to do lots of garments from it. And as you can see, it's fantastic at the back and at the edge, like the round edge here at the head. It's also nicely done, and I've done my best. I actually like this pattern so much so that I am planning to do like a top that I can wear in the summer, because it's just so airy, aerated. As you can see, it's like, it's just fantastic. Look at these little gaps. It's just amazing. I love it so much. And I think white color, the combination of white color and this particular yarn and hat works just great. I think it's fantastic. It's amazing. I love it. I cannot wait to wear it. and enjoy the handwork that I put in, and doing my best wearing it for you all. Thank you very much. Let's talk about this other hat, which is identical as this. As you can see, they are like two twins, but just in a different color. And I love the color. I love the color so much. I thought I am going to do another hat just like so, just like this one, and but just in a different color. And this color I found to be perfect for this head style, and it's also as stretchy as the other because the pattern is just so flexible, and is also made from acrylic yarn. As usual, I'm using, as you already know, I use only acrylic yarn. Elasticated band here that I've knitted. It's handy and stretchy as well. It's handy as well, and I love it so much. At the back, this is a stitch at the back. At the back, you can barely see it. I've done my best for it not to be as visible. As you can see, it's not as visible. This is inside out. You can see the head. You can see hidden two pieces of two strings, as you can see, a bit fluffy here. And you wear it, let's say, with a stitch at the back as usual. Obviously you know that, I'm sure. And I think it's fantastic. I love the color as well. It's such a gentle green. It's just pastel green. I think I would say it's a pastel green. I think it's a pastel green. Yeah, I think you would agree with me on this. This is at the top of the head, how it looks like. Yeah, and I like the color. It's fantastic. I've washed it, so this is after it's been washed once. After I finished this project, I washed it, and it's obviously washed, but you can't tell it. You can't tell this because it's absolutely perfectly new the way it looks like. It's absolutely new. You can't tell that it had a wash once has been washed. And I think it's because the acrylic is just so versatile, and it's such a good yarn to work with. And I'm absolutely pleased with acrylic yarn because you can do absolutely anything, even summer clothes with it, even something for the summer. But in winter it could keep you warm, in summer it could keep you cool, and it's still all year round kind of yarn that you can use on your accessories, on your clothes that you knit with. I think it's fantastic, and I'm absolutely pleased with this one. I love this hat, and I'm going to do a couple of videos on my main channel, Vanila, where I wear these two hats. There's two hats, this one and this one. So they're the same, exactly the same, but just in a different color. And these are my froggies. Meet my froggies, please. They are cute and fun, and I love them. They are 3D printed, and I like to always use them in my pictures, and they bring me so much fun and encouragement. And the frog is just such a positive sign in Chinese beliefs, and I love what it means. And the frogs are just so cute. I love them. I love these. They are like my favorite toys. And thank you very much for subscribing and for watching my new things that I do every single week or so. And I hope you have fun and enjoy your Valentine. Thank you very much. So please subscribe. Bye.